What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you one upper chest workout fix to get you more muscle growth. Like I said, today's video is going to be about the upper chest and just one fix that has really helped me as far as just chest activation. Something that I've always struggled with since I was a kid was chest development, and something that I continually strive to improve, because one thing that happened when I was a kid was I broke my right collarbone, and so I was in a little sling for a couple months when I was hitting puberty, and it led to my chest being underdeveloped. And so it's something that I've always struggled with, especially with chest activation. And so if you're someone who is struggling with chest activation, especially upper chest, because upper chest is typically really difficult to stimulate simply because your anterior delt, your front delt, is going to be activated for pretty much all of your upper chest exercises. And what usually happens is your front delt, your shoulders, take over when you're doing that upper chest exercise. So this is going to be a fix that's going to help hopefully a lot of you, with anybody who's experiencing that problem. It is going to be related to the chest fly, the low to highs, or you can call it an incline chest fly, whatever it might be. The issue with chest flies is that usually when you're going to do this, you will come out and you'll bring this together at the top, but what happens is you find yourself working that front delt more than you actually feel it working your chest. And so you're doing this and you're really trying to get a nice little chest pump going, but what ends up happening is you do this for a couple of reps and then you put it down and you're like, how do I feel? Well, I feel it a lot in my shoulders, and I'm not really getting a chest pump. I'm actually getting more of a shoulder pump. What's going on? I'm trying to work my chest. What do I need to do here? So this is going to help that a lot. This is something that's helped me a lot personally, so hopefully it can help you as well. Rather than, because the issue is when you are bringing this together at the top, like I was just doing, when you're bringing it together, you're bringing it up like that. What's happening is, like I said, whenever you do hit this upper chest area, you're going to be hitting that front delt. So because they have the very similar movements. When you bring your arm across your body, this is going to be working both of those muscles. So it just comes down to trying to make one a primary mover, make the other a secondary mover. And one thing that's really helped me make the chest, the pectoral muscle, the primary mover when it comes to upper chest exercises is, rather than bringing it up and across like you see most people doing with this exercise, I actually like to bring it down and together, and then hold it there and squeezing my elbows and bring it up as I squeeze my elbows together. And that's really helped me maintain that tension in my chest and just minimize the activation of my shoulders. So I'll show you what I mean. So grabbing this weight, like I said, the wrong way to do it is what you see all the time, people just grabbing this weight and they're going like this. And they end up rolling their shoulders forward really bad, and they don't feel it in their chest at all. So instead, stick that chest out and bring your elbows together at the bottom. Right there, you're already going to feel a nice squeeze in your chest. From here, you're going to focus on lifting those elbows up as you continue to squeeze them together. And then that is going to be the top of the exercise. You're going to leave them together, bring it back down, and then separate. So bring them together at the bottom, squeeze it all the way up, bring it back down, separate. Together at the bottom, bring it all the way up, bring it back down, separate. So that hopefully will make a big difference in your chest exercises, just as far as your upper chest goes, because it made a big difference in just how my workouts go, because like I said, I've always struggled with activating my shoulders way more than my chest, and so this is a fix that really made my chest workouts just that much better. So hopefully it helps you as well. I will say, if you are looking for more tips on how to get in shape, maybe you're trying to build some muscle or just build your physique or lose weight, lose body fat, whatever it might be, I have a free body type quiz that tells you the type of exercise and the nutrition that you need to be following for whatever your specific goals are, whether that is to bulk up, whether that is to cut down, lose 50 pounds, whatever it might be. It gives you the 3 most important things that you need to be doing in order to achieve that goal. So if you want to check out that body type quiz, you can click the link down there in the description down below this video. Other than that, if you guys like this video, you like this little tip, you like these quick exercise tips, make sure you're clicking the thumbs up button below. That really helps these videos and helps other people see these, because I'm just trying to help as many people as I can. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. And then last but not least, make sure you are smashing the subscribe button and the little bell next to the subscribe button. That way you get notified when I post a new video. So thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.